It changed the fucking colour. Yeah, buddy. So, new spot. I got Corey and Shano unleashed. So, ready to TAFE. Making sure we keep that social distancing.
Yeah, Corey. Get the fuck away from me.
Social distancing FPV. Alright. Place is dead. No one's here. No cars. No people. Let's rip a battery. Hopefully it doesn't explode because this is my only quad I got here today. They're nice.
My family always said I was the bad child, throwing me away into the bad bowl. All my life been putting on a fake smile, sitting on my own, feel like I'm exiled, feeling like I always do the wrong things, telling all their friends that I'm the bad kid. Now I'm on my own, I lost my magic, dealing with your bullshit, now I'm over it. And you took a part of me, left me with the memories of we were never a family. Now you're standing in front of my door, like none of this happened at all. I guess I'm always gonna be the bad child. I guess I'm always gonna be the mad child, 'cause you will never understand my weird mind, my weird mind. And to every single person here that doubts me, telling me that they could live without me, 'cause they will never understand my weird mind, my weird mind. I've never really been the one to reach out, acting like my life was squeaky clean now, like everything I do is just a letdown, feeling like I always do the wrong things, telling all their friends that I'm the bad kid. Now I'm on my own, I lost my magic, dealing with your bullshit, now I'm over it. And you took a part of me, left me with the memories of we were never a family. Now you're standing in front of my door, like none of this happened at all. I guess I'm always gonna be the bad child. I guess I'm always gonna be the mad child, 'cause you will never understand my weird mind, my weird mind. And to every single person here that doubts me, telling me that they could live without me, 'cause they will never understand my weird mind, my weird mind. They say I've lost my mind, they say I'll never find it. I think they're kind of right, in fact they're kind of right. They say I've lost my mind, they say I'll never find it. I think they're kind of right. I guess I'm always gonna be the bad child. I guess I'm always gonna be the mad child, 'cause you will never understand my weird mind, my weird mind. And to every single person here that doubts me, telling me that they could live without me, 'cause they will never understand my weird mind, my weird mind. My family always said I was the bad child.
Yeah, buddy. We all got here. We're all plugged in. All ready to rip the crane. The crane.
My crane. Real crane.
Shano's never ripped a crane before. This is his first time. Oh, neither is Corey.
Wow, but I've never been in a construction site.
Yeah, you have. You've been with me over the south side. Surely.
No, never gone to a construction site.
1-6 game. At this age, how are them man still hating? My young boy in a different country, but he ain't ever been on vacation. One hand on a girl I'm dating, one hand on the cash I'm making. We come through like Funky Friday and have all your man them skating. I came in 550 on trainers. Island girl amazing, could be Bayesian, Trini or Haitian. She got a bag with flowers, if the trainers match I'll take it. Me and bro just shut down Gucci, had the whole of the shop floor waiting. Who's that girl in the line with a big behind us looking all tempting? If her friend is a dead thing, take one for the team with a brethren. 2 paintings at the entrance, want attention but a man can't let them. She must think I'm a reverend, you ain't coming here getting redemption, no way. At this age, how are them man still hating? My young boy in a different country, but he ain't never been on vacation. One hand on a girl I'm dating, one hand on the cash I'm making. We come through like Funky Friday and have all of your man them skating.
I see them man skating now, I'm talking about running their legs. My youngins in country plugging a Z, he can't even butt me till nothing is left. I flooded my right, I flooded my left. I'm ducking your wife, I'm ducking the feds. The bell on the trap is buzzing again, but still I ain't trying to get busted by feds. Look man, I ain't caught the bus in a sec, it's me and my Rambo cutting through West. The way that I went and just flooded my neck, I'm shocked that I ain't got a struggle for breath. When me and the missus be going on dates, she's holding the dipper, I'm holding her waist. Just see some pigs moving low in the main, so I phoned up my nigga and told him to play.
There's a big crane over there.
Tell a pen girl you can HMU, I don't wanna cuddle in HUG, and I'm still shopping in HMV for all of my niggas in HMP. Heard you got a girl going DM you, if I DM'd you, what she DM me? Young black brother, I'm a stylish G, man, I put the IC in IC3.
They tell me I'm gifted in rap, nothing was nice, used to live in a trap. Now if I go ask that chick for a snap, I could bet money she's giving me that. I'm always in Harrods, I'm filling a bag. Them niggas ain't winners, them niggas are mad. Gal like my vid and them bitches are bad. They get picked in the foreigns and ditched in the cab.
Game. At this age, how are them man still hating? My young boy in a different country, but he ain't never been on vacation. One hand on a girl I'm dating, one hand on the cash I'm making. We come through like Funky Friday and have all of your man them skating.
Ripped 2 packs at that construction site, all done. We're dropping Corey off at the traino.
Bye bye, Corey. I see.
Like this video if you think Corey needs a car.
I do need a car.
I second that.
I'm saving money for a car, so.
Because Uber will go out of business otherwise. They keep picking him up.
I just need to stop.
No, if they don't pick him up, they'll go broke.
I just need to stop breaking quads.
So what, you like those spots today? It was good?
It was good, yeah. I've never done a construction site, so it's different.
Yeah, you didn't break your quad at the
Never
TAFE.
done it this weekend, never done a construction site, never done a dam, did both of them. Fucking good.
On one weekend.
One weekend, and the only issue...
Have you done a TAFE before?
No, I haven't.
So you've never done a TAFE?
But it's similar to a school, I guess.
So we did a TAFE, a dam, and a construction site.
So we set the benchmark pretty high.
Yeah, the only damage
So what are we doing
weekend,
next weekend?
I don't know.
If we're in lockdown, we have
mountains and waterfalls,
yeah,
mate.
if we're in lockdown.
Self-isolation at the top of fucking
That's exactly right.
mountain.
Hey, and this weekend, I only went through one set of props, and my VTX is going through some issues. So.
Should we like...
Yeah, keep our
Twah!
Yeah.
Roundhouse, you motherfuckers.
Social distancing, that's how you do it. You just spin your leg around.
This guy's fucking sick on the scooter. He should have jumped it.
Yeah, buddy.
Is that electric scooter, is it?
No.
He just went downhill.
Do a tail whip.
Cool.
Alright.
Alright.